Looking for the perfect holiday home in the Occitanie region of France? Welcome to Carcassonne Concierge, your full-service holiday home management company and asset consultant. Imagine a service that helps you not only find your dream holiday home, but also assists in the negotiation process. Carcassonne Concierge does just that. Our experts bring their knowledge of the local market to ensure you get the best deal possible. But it doesn't stop there. At Carcassonne Concierge, we believe in creating a holiday home that reflects your taste and style. Our team of experienced professionals is ready to help you renovate, design, and decorate. From modern minimalist designs to traditional French country charm, we bring your vision to life. A holiday home should be a place of relaxation, not a source of stress. That's why Carcassonne Concierge offers a comprehensive range of management services. From regular maintenance to overseeing your property, we take care of everything so you can enjoy your holiday without worries. When it comes to cleanliness, we believe in perfection. Our All-Stars cleaning service ensures your holiday home is spotless and ready for your arrival. With attention to detail and a commitment to excellence, our cleaners leave no corner untouched. And what about those unexpected issues that can arise? A leaky faucet or a broken window? No worries. Our hands-on handyman service is available around the clock. We respond swiftly to fix any issues, ensuring your holiday home remains in top condition. Carcassonne Concierge is more than just a service provider. We are your partners, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our commitment to your satisfaction is unwavering, and our dedication to quality is unmatched. In summary, Carcassonne Concierge offers a comprehensive suite of services designed to enhance your holiday home experience. From finding and negotiating the perfect property, to designing and decorating, to maintaining and overseeing, we do it all. And with our All-Stars cleaning and hands-on handyman services, your holiday home will always be in peak condition, ready for your arrival. Visit www.gocarcassonne.com today and discover how Carcassonne Concierge can turn your holiday home dreams into reality.